In this video tutorial today I'll show you how to create new Google Play Console account. That's mean, how to open new developer account. If you want to create new developer account, you have must needs 2 document. First, you have needed one smart ID card or passport, through which we will verify the Google Play Console account. Second, our needs one MasterCard or Visa card, with which we will pay Google. So let's get start. First, open any browser. I am open Google Chrome Beta. Then type search bar, Play Console. Then click Enter. Then open this website or you come on this website from my video description box. I am add this link on my video description box. Then click Go to Play Console. Then you can see your email address. If you want to change your email address, click on arrow icon. Then select your email address. First, turn on 2-step verification on your Gmail account. Click Turn on 2-step verification. Click Get Start. Then type your phone number here, which is phone number enable 2-step verification. Here select text message. Then click Next. Then enter your 6-digit verification code here. Then click Next. Then click Turn on. Then reload the page. Then from here you have to select the account type. Means if you want to open this developer account in Play Store for doing business, then select an organization option. If you select an organization, you need to verify with business documents, which is not available to everyone. Since we want to do business in Play Store individually, we will select individual option from here. Click on Get Started from here. Then you can see an option like this. Click Continue. Here type your developer name. Then click Next. If here showing any error message, then type another developer name. I am typing my developer name. Then click Next. Then you can see an interface just like this. Here you can see how many tasks I have completed so far. Then click Create or select a payment profile. Select Create New Payment Profile. Then click Continue. First, you can see United States. Click here and select your country. Type your full name here. Here type your street address. Here type your city. Here type your zip code. Fill all the options here. Then click Save. Here scroll down. Then click Next. Here type your contact email address. Then click Verify email address. Here, Google will send you a 6-digit verification code. You need to verify your email address by typing that code here. Here scroll down. Here you can see acknowledgement. Put the tick mark "I consent to Google." Then click Next. Here type your any experience. Here type your developer website. If there is no website, put the tick mark "I don't have a website." Then click Next. Here you have to select how many applications you want to publish on Play Store within the next 12 months. I am selecting more than 10. If you don't want to earn money from Google Play, then click No. And if you want to earn money Google Play, then click on Yes. Then select the means you want to earn from here. Then select your app category. If you don't have any specific category, then select none of the above. Then click Next. Here type your contact name. Here type your contact email address. Here select preferred language. Here type your contact phone number. Then click Verify phone number. Here enter your 6-digit verification code. Then click Verify. Then click Next. Put the tick mark "I confirm that." Then click Create Account and Pay. Click Add Credit or Debit Card. First, here type your card number. Here type your card validity. Here type your card CVV. The rest of the information will be automatically taken from our payment profile. If not, then type it manually. You just give all the information like this, then scroll down. Then click Save Card. Finally, click Buy. This will take some time loading. Please wait. Then click Go to Play Console. You can see that the developer account has been opened. Now if you want to publish any app in this developer account, Then you first need to confirm the identity of your developer account by clicking on Complete Verification from here. In the next video, I will show you how to confirm the identity of your developer account. Check the video description box to watch the video. The link of the video will be added in the video description box. Hope this way you can open Google Play Console account at any time. If you like the video, then give a like to the video. Comment how the video was. Share with your friends via WhatsApp, Facebook, and subscribe our channel to watch next videos. Thank you.